Today, I want to talk about a topic that is pivotal for anyone venturing into the world of business: creating a brand. While there are countless guides on what to do, it's equally important to understand what not to do. Avoiding these pitfalls can save you time, resources, and perhaps even your brand's reputation. Hi, this is your host Raj Sukheja, and I welcome you back to the So True Business channel at the Big Red Mammoth Network. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video so that we are able to bring you high quality content on life changing subjects on a weekly basis. Please also do see the video to its end, as it will bring you valuable inputs for your business. Do contribute to the So True Business channel, which will help us keep reinventing ourselves and improving the quality as we go along this journey. Everyone speaks about how we ought to brand ourselves, but this video is specifically about what not to do while creating a brand. Let's move on to the video now. Number 1, don't ignore your audience. First and foremost, never ignore your audience. Your brand is not just about you, it's about the people you serve. Avoid making assumptions about their needs and preferences. Instead, invest in market research to truly understand your audience, listen to their feedback, engage with them, and let their insights guide your brand development. Number 2, don't be inconsistent. Consistency is key in branding. Avoid sending mixed messages through your marketing channels. Your brand's voice, tone, visual identity should be uniform across all platforms. Inconsistencies can confuse your audience and dilute your brand image. Make sure your team is aligned and that your branding guidelines are clear and adhered to. Number 3, don't overpromise and underdeliver. One of the quickest ways to damage your brand is by overpromising and underdelivering. Be realistic about what you can offer and set expectations that you can meet or exceed. Delivering on your promises builds trust and credibility, which are essential for long-term brand loyalty. Number 4, don't neglect quality. In the rush to launch or expand, never compromise on quality. Whether it's your product, service, or customer experience, quality should be at the forefront. A poor quality offering can tarnish your brand and be difficult to recover from. Ensure that quality control is a priority at every stage of your brand's journey. Number 5, don't imitate competitors. While it's important to understand your competition, don't fall into the trap of imitation. Your brand should have its own unique identity and value proposition. Copying competitors not only makes your brand forgettable, but also undermines your credibility. Focus on what makes your brand unique and highlight those differentiators. Don't ignore feedback. Feedback, whether positive or negative, is invaluable. Ignoring it can lead to missed opportunities for improvement and growth. Encourage feedback from customers, employees, stakeholders, and use it constructively to refine your brand strategy. Number 7, don't rush the process. Building a brand is not an overnight endeavor. Avoid rushing the process in an attempt to quickly gain market share. Take the time to carefully develop your brand identity, values, and strategy. A well thought out brand is more likely to resonate with your audience and stand the test of time. In conclusion, creating a brand is a complex but rewarding journey. By avoiding these common pitfalls, ignoring your audience, being inconsistent, overpromising, neglecting quality, imitating competitors, ignoring feedback, and rushing the process, you can lay a strong foundation for a successful brand. Remember, a brand is more than just a logo or a product. It's an experience and a promise you make to your customers. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you all the best in your branding endeavors. This is your host, Raj Sukheja, signing off. Until we meet again.